In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a print button in Google Chrome so you can print any web page with just one click. This is a super quick trick that can save you time if you print pages often. And the best part is that it only takes a minute to set up. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure your Bookmarks bar is visible in Chrome. If you can already see it at the top of your browser, you're good to go. If not, you may need to enable it so the button has a place to appear. Now right-click directly on the Bookmarks bar, and from the menu that appears, choose Add Page. A small window will pop up, and this is where we'll create our custom print shortcut. In the name field, type Print. This will be the label that appears on your Bookmarks bar, so keep it simple and easy to recognize. Next, click into the URL field and paste this exact code, JavaScript: window.print. Make sure you type it exactly as shown, because this is what turns the bookmark into a working print button instead of a regular web page link. Once the name and URL are entered, click Save. After you save it, you should now see a new print button on your Bookmarks bar. That means the setup is complete and your custom Chrome print shortcut is ready to use. To test it, open any web page you want to print. It can be an article, a document, a recipe, or anything else you need. Then click the new Print Bookmark button. Chrome will instantly open the print dialog for that page, just like if you had gone through the menu manually. From there, you can choose your printer, adjust your settings, and print as usual. This is a really handy trick for anyone who wants faster access to printing without digging through menus every time. It's simple, it's free, and once it's set up, you can use it anytime with one click. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy Chrome tips and computer how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.